সবাইকে নমস্কার। Apani Taku Bukuksang Hills Nijidok, that is 76, Yakmas Halna, Rutsagui Hastini, Jota Lupurapna, Ani Kapangni, Hamjakmung, Te Khataham Jamar. Naklai Chung, Bharat Hakatorni, Hills Nijidok, Yakmas hal palayui tongo ang uilano Bharat hakatorno Hyokna bagui hujanai sengkrak rokno muito te borong yafaru elem bakni nahar mungno tuyui tongnani hano khachogui mothangui tongnani bagui kathalai tongnani Hukumu, mukumu, borong layui, Yakmas halno, soy borong, Romani, kok, Bharat, elem bakni, priembolo, sujak, tongmana angkabo, kore jao. Quote, we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Unquote. Tinitui Shalom, Jung, Hani, Juda Juda Tafa, Juda Juda kok salai tongphano jung jotono thansa Bharatni busa Bharat elem bago, that is constitution chini man thai tong tuino chini fly thaibu tongu aborong kha do phani banano borong rani elem bagno tuyui tongnani hano kurungsa tongnani te jotoni hukumu mukumono borong layani Bharat kaisa tongphat bai khachop jakya ha janija tongpharno tuyui tongui mano sung yokjak tongma tuino buini yokmanomo kebeng maya abono borong mar lainai sini juda juda hukumu hukumu kok te tongphat juda phano chini sinimung engkha Bharatni busa aboni bagino kok lopnai kotor Rabindranath Tagore salangmani nana basa nana mot nana পরিধান বিবিধের মাঝে দেখো মিলন মহান स्वाधीनता के वक्त से हमारा देश ने वैज्ञानिक तकनीक पारमाणविक शक्ति अंतरिक्ष क्षेत्रों में बहुत कामयाबी हासिल की हैं। हम शहरों और गांव की खुशहाली और अर्थव्यवस्था बेहतर करने के लिए निरंतर काम कर रहा है और ये सफलता हासिल करने में जो सबसे बड़ा कारण है वो है हम सब भारतीयों का योगदान। जैसे हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं ऐसे और आगे भी पहुँचेंगे। मैं अपने सब साथियों को ये निवेदन करना चाहता हूँ कि आप सब आगे आइए और देश के इस उन्नति के उत्सव में भागीदारी लें और देश के अग्रगति में योगदान करें। In this regard, I would like to share some achievements made in Tripura tribal areas, Autonomous District Council areas. The present Tripura tribal areas Autonomous District Council administration has made an effort to bring all-round development for the people of Tripura tribal areas Autonomous District Council. It is my privilege to share the achievements of present administration. In Rural Development Department of TTADC, we have established Rural Development Engineering Division at headquarter level. Also, we have installed 11 atmosphere water machine at MA building, Humpui Academy, office of the ZDU West, ZDU Dalai, ZDU Unakoti, ZDU North, ZDU South, ZDU Sipahijala, ZDU Kwai, Kalakum Residential School, Toidu Residential Boys English Medium School. In Education Department of TTADC, the present District Council Authority is giving highest emphasis on providing quality education to the students living in the District Council areas. With this objective, 100 number tutors on various disciplines have been appointed. Further, new Humpui Academy Annex at Old Humpui Academy building, Kanchanpur, Ganga Tisha, Potishari, Unakoti, Mandai have been opened. Besides, the present 400 intake capacity of Humpui boarding house has been increased to 650 capacity.